What's going on, guys, and welcome back to episode 2 of 0 to 100,000 euro. In today's video, we're going to look into the 13 of the 25 companies that I have bought into the portfolio thus far. Before we get into today's video, it would be great if you could consider subscribing to this channel. We are currently on 185 subscribers, and it'd be great if you could get to 200 by the end of this week. The four sectors that we are going to discuss in today's video are the technology sector, consumer discretionary sector, consumer staples, and the financial sector. The broker I am using, Trading 212, they currently have a promotional offer on where if you use the link above and deposit €1 into your account, you will get one free share and I will also get one free share. So it's a win-win for everyone. So for anyone interested, I will put the referral link in the description below. So since beginning this portfolio yesterday, I had invested €1,891.64. The portfolio is now currently worth €1,914.45, which equates to a €22.81 return or 1.21% increase. In the first episode of this series, I have allocated 4 companies to be added in the tech sector into this portfolio, and the 4 tech companies that I have chosen are Google or Alphabet, Microsoft, Apple, and Facebook. One of the main features that I really like in Trading 212 is the ability to be able to buy fractional shares. This has been a great advantage for me, as starting with under €2,000 to invest into 25 blue chip companies, having the ability to buy fractional shares is ideal. I have bought 0.1 of a share in Alphabet Class A for €133.52, and as it stands, I am up 1.64% or €2.15. I also have 0.1 of a share in Facebook, equating to €22.78 or 37-cent profit, 1.65% increase. With Apple, I have 0.2 of a share, which cost €80.16. I'm currently up €1.07 or 1.35% increase. I have bought one full share of Microsoft for €181.71. I'm currently up €3.52 or just under 2% increase. In terms of consumer discretionary sector, I've allocated 3 slots to invest in my portfolio in this sector. The 3 companies that I've chosen for the consumer discretionary sector are Tesla, McDonald's, and Amazon. In Tesla, I have 0.1 of a share, which cost €169.40. I'm already up a staggering 6% on the share in one day, which equates to just under €10. One of the downsides of having fractional shares is that when there is a stock split, for example in Tesla or Apple that are coming up, they will sell your fractional share. So I'm hoping in the coming weeks to have one full share of Tesla and one full share of Apple. Next up is McDonald's, and I have 0.1 of a share in this company, which cost €17.78. I'm currently up only 3 cents or 0.17%. Amazon is next up, and I have 0.1 of a share in this company also, which costs €279.20. I'm currently up 0.81% or €2.23. Next up is the consumer staple sector, and I have allocated 3 slots out of the 25 in my portfolio for these companies. The 3 consumer staple companies that I've added to this portfolio are Coca-Cola, Pepsi, and Proctor Gamble. I currently have 1.05 shares in Coca-Cola, equating to €42.11. I'm currently up 11 cents or 0.26% in this company. P&G is next up, and I currently have 1 share in this company, equating to €115.89. This company is currently up 0.62% or 71 cents. The third consumer staple company in this portfolio is Pepsi-co, and I currently have 1 share in this company, which cost me €115.80. This position is currently up just under 0.5% or 54-cent profit. The final sector that we will talk about in today's video is the financial sector, and I have allocated 3 slots out of the 25 companies for this in my portfolio. The 3 financial sector companies that I have chosen to put into this portfolio are Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, and JP Morgan and Chase. I currently have 1 share in Bank of America, which cost €21.26. This position is down just under 0.5% or 11 cent. Goldman Sachs Group is the second position, and I currently have zero point 0.1 of a share in this company, which costs €17.10. This position is currently down 0.18% or 3 cent. The third company in the financial sector that I have chosen is JP Morgan & Chase. I currently have zero point 0.2 of a share in this company, which costs €16.50. This position is currently up 0.06% or 1 cent in profit. In yesterday's video, I discussed that I want to have 4% of my allocated funds into each of the 25 companies in this portfolio. As you can see from the pie on the screen, the portfolio is currently worth €1,913.99, and there's 25 companies invested in this pie. Because this portfolio has just begun and I have bought fractional shares, it will take a few weeks to get all of these 25 companies to 4% allocated. As we've went through 13 of the 25 companies in today's video, in tomorrow's video I will go through the other 12 companies. When I was planning out this 25 company portfolio, I was quite aware of how risk adverse or risk taking I wanted this portfolio to be. As this will be a long-term portfolio and I'll be putting quite a large sum of money into it, I want to have quite a risk-averse portfolio. As it stands, I am quite happy with the way this portfolio is constructed, as I like the mix of growth or more risky stocks, speculative stocks as such, like Tesla, and I also have a good mix of dividend safe ratio stocks such as Coca-Cola, Bank of America, etc. So in summary, in today's video, we went through the 4 technology companies that I've added to the portfolio, which are Apple, Google, Facebook, and Microsoft. We went through the consumer discretionary companies, of which there are 3, which are Tesla, McDonald's, and Amazon. We went through the consumer staples companies, which were Coca-Cola, Pepsi-co, and Procter Gamble. And finally, we went through the 3 financial sector companies that I've added to the portfolio, which are Bank of America, JP Morgan & Chase, and Goldman Sachs Group. In tomorrow's video, we're going to go through the other 12 companies that I've added to this portfolio, which are in the healthcare sector, the communication services sector, energy, materials, the industrial sector, the utility sector, and finally real estate. And after tomorrow's video, I will also be adding in a further $600 into the portfolio. As mentioned earlier in this video, I will be hoping to get Apple up to 1 full share before the stock split, so I'll be adding to that position also. And I'll also be trying to get some more of my fractional shared companies up to 1 full share. So with that being said, that brings the end to today's video. I'd be very grateful if you could like and especially subscribe to this channel to help the community grow. And also, if you have anything portfolio or stock related, it'd be great if you comment below and we could discuss this. I'm always very interested to know what other people's views are on certain companies and how they build their own portfolios to suit their own needs. If you also have any suggestions for this channel going forward, it'd be brilliant if you could comment below also. Thanks very much for watching today's video and stay tuned for tomorrow's. See you guys in the next video.